Making money selling everyday products on Amazon is so much simpler than you probably think. And in this video, I'm going to explain the entire 6-step process in under 5 minutes. So my name's Corey Ganem. This is the exact blueprint that I follow to sell over $12 million on Amazon since 2017. And since this is a high-level overview, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel because I go way more in depth to most of these topics on my channel. So let's jump right into my screen and talk about step 1, which is setting up an Amazon seller account. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to sellercentral.amazon.com. You're going to come here and you're going to sign up. You're going to enter your business information or your personal information, but you're going to need a business for this method, and then you can sign up for an Amazon seller account. Step 2 is we come over here to Smart Scout. This is a tool called Smart Scout. And what we do is we jump in here into the brands tool. We open this tool and then we want to find a qualified brand that we can then contact for a wholesale account. And if you guys want a discount code on Smart Scout, I have that in the description below. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to choose a category. I like automotive, so I'm going to choose that as my primary category. I'm going to hit search. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set a couple of filters. So at the column level, I'm going to say Amazon in stock rate max 60%, average number of FBA sellers 2, and estimated monthly revenue between $5,000 and $500,000 per month. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start poking through these brands one by one, and we're going to find one that is qualified. All right, so what I did is I sorted by estimated monthly revenue, and I found a brand called Daytona Helmets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the brand name. It's going to open them in a new tab, and I'm going to make sure that they meet 3 criteria. So the first criteria is there's got to be at least 2 to 3 FBA sellers on one of their products. Right here, we see we've got a product that has 5+ FBA sellers. According to, now this is a free Chrome extension called DS Amazon Quick View. Second criteria that's got to meet is it's got to be selling at least 50 units per month. And looking at this product, the sales rank is in the 20,000 range. This product is definitely selling right here more than 50 units per month. The third criteria we want this product to hit is we want to make sure that Amazon is not dominating this listing for more than 50% of the last month. And looking at this keeper graph here, I'm not seeing Amazon on this listing at all. So we found a qualified brand. Next, which is step 3, we want to find the brand's website. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and search Daytona Helmets on Google. And right here, I find their website, Daytona Helmets. So this is step 3, finding their website. Step 4 would be contacting the brand. So what we want to do next is we want to come down here and look for contact information. Ideally, we want to see like a wholesale or dealer tab. If not, we're just going to go with the contact tab. So right here, I'm seeing request a motorcycle wholesale account, request a snow wholesale account, become a dropship customer. So really, we are going to want to become we are going to want a motorcycle wholesale account because that looks like this is a motorcycle helmet, right? This is the product we're looking for. So what we could do next is we could fill out this form and submit it and apply for a wholesale account with this brand. Now, chances are they're going to deny us because all we did was send in a form. They don't know us from Adam. So ideally, we're going to want to follow this application up with a phone call to try to tell them who we are, what we're trying to do, and try to plead our case for becoming an authorized seller of their products. Next, what we're going to do, assuming we open the account, is we are going to analyze their products using a tool called SellerAmp. All right, SellerAmp is right here on the right. It pops up on every product listing on Amazon if you have the tool. And again, if you want a discount for the SellerAmp tool, that's going to be in the description below. So what we're going to do is we're going to assume, again, for the sake of the video, let's just assume we got this product at a price of, let's just say $45, right? Let's just say that's our wholesale cost of this product, right? If that was our wholesale cost, we'd only be making about $1.16. So realistically, we would want to get this thing for around $38, which is going to give us a profit margin of about 12%, right? So again, assuming we can open this wholesale account, assuming it's going to be profitable, we're probably going to be paying around $38 for this product. And then lastly, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to Boxem, assuming we bought this product, and we are going to create a shipment and get this sent into Amazon. So for the sake of this video, we're going to make this a test shipment. We're going to choose fulfilled by Amazon, shipping from, again, just a test address so as not to expose my address. Small parcel delivery, individual packaging type, seller labels. For box content, we're going to choose 2D barcodes, which is a huge benefit of using a tool like Boxem right here. 2D barcode speeds up the check-in process and makes basically helps Amazon reduce errors when it comes to receiving your inventory. Check the box to print FBA labels as I'm prepping my products to drastically speed up the process. Come up here and autofill my list price to be 50% above the buy box as I list, which is going to help me make more sales at higher prices while my inventory is an FC transfer. And then lastly, I come down here and check all of these boxes right here to make sure the box tracks my buy cost, which supplier I bought it from, and the date that I purchased the product to give me all of my data in one place. Now that, in just over 5 minutes, is the entire 6-step process of selling a product from A to Z on Amazon, from sourcing it to creating your account, all the way to purchasing it and listing it on Amazon. So if you want more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I come out with 2 videos for Amazon sellers every single week. Thank you so much for watching.